wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Vitamix blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Professional 200 series may be dated, but it has many of the same functions as some of our top picks, including several speeds, a spill-proof lid, and enough power and blade friction to quickly bring cold ingredients to high temperatures for creamy, hearty soups. It comes with an instructional DVD and is good for large batches. However, it is on the bulky side. At number 9, the Ascent A2300 features a built-in digital timer that helps you achieve precise control over the resulting consistency and texture of your foods. Compatible with Apple and Android smartphones, its companion mobile app provides access to over 500 tasty recipes. The base automatically detects the container size and is a good option for making nut milks, but it's a pain to clean. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you have a small kitchen and prefer to save on counter space, the Personal S55 will fit the bill. This compact model is ideal for preparing dips, spreads and sauces, while the 20-ounce container doubles as a convenient travel cup. It's equipped with a reliable metal drive system and an interchangeable blade base. However, the tamper is difficult to use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Vitamix blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, backed by the Culinary Institute of America, the CIA Professional series comes with a 64-ounce container, making it perfect for budding chefs looking to experiment with medium to large batches of blended ingredients at home. A 7-year warranty is included. Comes with a vented lid and a 2-horsepower motor, but it gets very warm at high speeds. Moving up our list to number 6. Utilizing 3-inch diameter blades, the Explorian E310 produces food textures that are either rich and creamy or coarsely chopped, allowing it to work as a food processor, but it tends to vibrate a lot at high speeds, so it will require some bracing to keep it steady. It includes an integrated cooling fan and a cookbook. However, it is very noisy. Halfway up our list at number 5. Setting the Legacy 780 apart from many of its competitors is the touchscreen LED control panel, which is made from hardened glass and designed to resist both cracks and scratches, making this a great choice for the busy homemaker who's always preparing meals. It's backed by a 10-year warranty and is a very durable construction, but it is a bit on the pricey side. At number 4, the motor base on the Ascent A3500 is capable of recognizing your chosen container size and automatically adjusting its program settings and blending times, so you can prepare delicious smoothies, hot dips and frozen desserts with both ease and precision. It's equipped with a programmable timer and there's a mobile app with over 500 recipes. However, removing the lid is cumbersome. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Professional 750 is equipped with a powerful cool-running motor and gives you the option of selecting any of 5 predetermined operating modes for ensuring consistent results, regardless of whether you're preparing frozen desserts, smoothies, or hot soups for the family. It features a container that holds 64 ounces, a variable speed control, and a quick start guide. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Vitamix blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, boasting a bright cherry red base, the Legacy 7500 adds a touch of elegant flair to any breakfast routine. A reliable 2.2 horsepower motor is ready to take on just about any whole food item, eliminating the extra prep time needed to chop things up beforehand. It includes a 6-foot power cord and a pulse control that's ideal for making salsa. It fits under most kitchen cabinets. And coming in at number 1 on our list, using both its variable speed control dial and aircraft-grade stainless steel blades, the standard 5200 is well adept at pulverizing virtually any ingredient, from large chunks of fruit and ice to tiny seeds, allowing you to yield a wide variety of beverage textures. It's available in black or white with built-in thermal overload protection, plus it cleans itself with soap and warm water. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Vitamix blenders, or simply click beneath this video.